Alright guys, so physical goal. It's hard, but I'm trying. So working out and trying to eat healthier. And I've always wanted to try one of those companies that have the prepackaged meal and all that stuff. So I saw my coworker one the other day and I was like, you know, I wanted to try it, but I'm not sure and everything. So she provided me with this coupon that gave me, I think it's a free month. And I ordered and just came in. It's called From Factor. And so I'm gonna try it for a month and see how it goes. Kinda, I'm not sure the cost because I got this free, or not free, like I think I got a month free. I think I only have to pay for the shipping, and the shipping is $12.99. And I only ordered 1 week's worth, 6 meals. So I didn't do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Just did enough meal, 1 meal per day. And the shipping was $12.99. So yeah, I went on and I picked the food. It was really good because they had a variety, like a lot of things that you could pick from. And I thought that was really good to see all the variety that they have. And just want to see how it goes. So they come like this in these little boxes. This one is roasted garlic chicken with green beans. Okay. I ordered 4 cheese tortellini and Italian sausage. Don't know about this one. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. It comes with green beans too. They come packaged with, you know, ice and everything. Let's see. This one is shredded chicken taco bowl. Okay, this one too bad. Try that. Pesto cream Italian sausage and rice. Okay, come with zucchini. This one don't look too bad either. Last one. No, that was 4. This is number 5. Oh, pesto salmon. So it's just salmon with pesto and cauliflower. That's that one. Okay. And the last one was cavatappi and shrimp scampi. I hope I pronounced that good. Oh, this don't look too good. It comes with cauliflower and broccoli. All right. Let's see the nutrition factors. So 440 calories. This one, oh, this one's 700 calories. The salmon. 1 grams of protein, 37 grams, 21 grams. Let's see, 500 calories. This is the sausage and rice, 24 grams of protein. The taco bowl is 550 and 36 grams of protein. The tortellini is 440, 22 grams of protein, and then the roasted chicken is 450, 40 grams of protein. It's really good. Okay, so the thought process is that I will have this for either lunch or dinner and just trying it out. If I like it, it's then a bunch of perks. So, well, I can give a friend a free box. First box free, $15 off your second and third box. First box free, first box free. And then, oh, yeah, I looked online when I was picking up the food. I noticed that they had, you could get juice. So you could get juice and then you could also get like dessert. So Greek yogurt bars. So this is just a coupon to get that. And then here's some more free offers. This is from Factor 2, 50% off every order for a year. And then this one is, what's this one? This is for another company. Good Chop. Oh, this is just for meat, so steak. Yeah, you can get, this one is 50% off your membership. So, all right. So on my quest to eat healthy, just to get something for at least lunch. So I'm not starving by dinner time, and I have something that I think is pretty okay from a calorie standpoint for lunch and or dinner. I didn't order for my husband because I'm not Jamaican. No, ma'am, no, sir, he ain't gonna have this. So I'm gonna have to cook for him. All right, guys, we'll see how this goes. I'll tell you how it tastes and how I like it, and if I will continue to order from here. All right.